Scientists are now able to erase memories, but why? A human brain shimmers in holographic blue, neurons lighting up beneath cinematic shadows. Deep within advanced laboratories at MIT and UCSF, researchers are pioneering a breakthrough: the ability to target and erase specific memories. Using cutting-edge genetic engineering and optogenetics, experiments in mice have revealed that memories linked to fear or trauma can be precisely deleted, offering a glimpse into the future of mental health treatment. Inside these labs, scientists peer at digital scans while glowing neural pathways pulse across futuristic screens. The process involves introducing light-sensitive proteins into the neurons that store particular memories. When blue light is directed onto these cells, the connection weakens or disappears, allowing memories to fade or vanish entirely. Animated brain pathways illuminate, then dim, as the science unfolds, each neuron a thread in the intricate tapestry of the mind. For those struggling with PTSD or overwhelming trauma, this emerging technology holds extraordinary potential. Imagine a life where the pain of the past no longer intrudes on the present, where healing becomes possible not just through therapy, but through the gentle editing of memory itself. Yet with such power comes complex questions. Human application remains limited, and the debate over the morality of memory manipulation is intense. Experts ask, if we change our memories, do we change who we are? Can altering a painful past affect a person's identity or even their sense of self? Symbols of ethics scales, question marks, hover as scientists and philosophers weigh issues of consent, privacy, and the consequences of rewriting personal history. Memory deletion may one day transform how we treat trauma, offering new hope to those who suffer. But as the camera pulls back from the bustling lab to a glowing neural network, a dilemma lingers. Are we truly ready to reshape our own past?